Hi and welcome to Science Desk. So in this video we shall see about the reflection of light. So in this video we will discuss on what is reflection of light and what are the two laws of reflection. We will see them one by one. So first, getting into the definition, what is reflection of light? Let's understand this with the day-to-day example. Consider this is a hot sunny day. And how are you able to see this man walking on the road? Is he a source of light? No. Then how are we able to see him? Yes, that is because of the reflection of light. So what do you mean by reflection of light? When the ray of light approaches an opaque surface, the light ray will be bounced back. This bouncing back of light is what you call as a reflection. See this, where the wall is an opaque surface. The light from the source is incident on the wall. Since wall is an opaque surface, it will not allow the light to pass through. Hence, it will try bouncing back. This bouncing of light is what you call as the reflection of light. This enables us to see this object. Now we will see certain important terminologies that we have to learn in reflection of light. Consider this is an opaque surface. The light ray that is incident on this surface from your source of light is what you call as the incident ray. As I told you, since it is an opaque surface, it will try to bounce back the light. And this ray that is bounced back is what you call as the reflected ray. The normal is an imaginary perpendicular which is drawn on the reflecting surface. Now we will see the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is the angle formed between incident ray and the normal. Angle of reflection is the angle formed between the reflected ray and the normal. Now we will see what are the two laws of reflection. The first law of reflection states that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal, all of them lie in the same plane. Can you see all of these rays are lying in the same plane along with the normal? Now we will see the second law of reflection. The second law of reflection states that the angle of incidence equals to the angle of reflection. We saw the angle of incidence, the angle formed between the incident ray and the normal, equals to the reflected angle. That is the angle formed between the reflected ray and the normal. Now we will see a quick summary. First we saw what is reflection of light, what is the terminologies, and we saw what is incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Then we saw the angle of incidence formed between the incident ray and the normal, the angle of reflection formed between the reflected ray and the normal, and finally we saw the two laws of reflection, wherein the first law stated the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane, and the second law stated the angle of incidence equals to the angle of reflection. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or doubt, please do feel free to comment in the section below. And if you really find this video informative and interesting, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Science Desk.